We've had limited sample size. It's still a young asset in Bitcoin, okay? So for people to draw conclusions about how Bitcoin has to trade with a sample size of 4 is not statistically significant. No serious data scientist or technician would be able to tell you that because the thing happened 3 or 4 times in the past, that alone is going to be compelling evidence for anything to happen in the future. Moreover, some of those early examples, as Bitcoin was effectively a science project, you had very limited exchanges, you had no regulated exchanges, no hedging tools, limited derivatives market, no futures market. It's beyond me why people would suggest that the Bitcoin market of today bears in any significant material comparison to the prior Bitcoin markets. And as Bitcoin matures, what have you seen happen? You've seen Bitcoin start to slay these sacred cows of Bitcoin. Things like, oh, we'll never go below the prior all-time high, which we did in 2021. Or we'll never make a new all-time high before the halving, which we did, right? Like we keep doing these things repeat. Or Bitcoin, for example, the most recent one, Bitcoin always pumps in the year after the halving that coincides. We didn't. Like we basically chopped around the entire year. So when you start to see mounting evidence of this time actually is different for structural reasons, for dynamics of the vehicles that are in place, for the hedging tools that are in place, for even something like investor preference, there's been this massive interest in AI, which to me, had that not occurred, I think more dollars would have flowed into Bitcoin.
100%.
I don't know why you see all these data points of like things that are different this time, and then you say, oh, it's not different this time. We're going to sell off 80%.